Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to another wallet. So this is for both mobile and PC version. So make it sure to watch until the end because I will explain the exact step and what you need to do to be careful about. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to paypal.com on your computer. Tap the finance or crypto section and select Bitcoin. Tap the transfer button, look for arrows or send. And after that, tap choose to send to another crypto address. Paste the Bitcoin wallet address you want to send. And please double check it carefully to avoid the problem. And just paste the amount you want to send and done. Your Bitcoin will be sent to the wallet you entered. Keep in mind that network fees apply and transfer are non-refundable once sent. So that's it. Now you know how to transfer your Bitcoin to another wallet address. So thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you out.